A tragic accident just happened at Fuji-Q Highland in Japan on February 28th, involving one of their most intense roller coasters, Eejanaika. I wanted to make this video because it seems a lot of people from the West and other parts of the world don't know about this horrible accident. Before I go any further, I want to give you a quick warning. What I might say might be a little graphic for some people, so if you don't want to hear those details, feel free to skip ahead. A maintenance worker, 29 years old, Kamura Iori, sorry if I butchered that name, lost his life while inspecting Eejanaika, when we're suspecting a wheel rolled onto his abdomen. He was rushed to the hospital but sadly didn't make it. Right now, authorities are investigating whether all proper safety procedures were followed. This is just an awful situation. As a roller coaster enthusiast, we spend so much time talking about how these rides are engineered for safety and precision, and it's easy to forget that the maintenance teams are constantly working behind the scenes to keep them running. Without them, we wouldn't be able to enjoy these rides at all. Incidents like this are incredibly rare, but when they do happen, it's shocking. Fuji-Q Highland has expressed condolences to Kamura's family, and my thoughts go out to them as well. I wanted to talk about this because it's a reminder of the risk involved with keeping these machines running, and how much work goes into making coasters as safe as they are. I hope we can help make these coasters safer, so incidents like this never happen again. Hopefully, the investigation will lead to changes that prevent something like this in the future.